Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing me a full set, and I'm going to be making my own dip pad acrylic with eyeshadow and acrylic. So stay tuned and I will show you the steps that I did. So I just did my thumb here. That was after I applied the dip acrylic on. And that was after I did one hand before I shaped and filed it. As you can see, you see that glitter, you see that sparkle, and this was after I shaped and filed and put the top coat over it. Ooh. I honestly think these nails came out good. Like, they is pretty, and my birthstone color is emerald green, and I love green, money green, because my hands make that money. Thanks for watching.